How to frontside shove it on the fingerboard. First, let's talk about the finger position. So a frontside shove it, you want to place your middle finger at the center of the tail. Some other people, they want to put it at the pocket of the tail a little bit, but in my opinion, I want to place it in the center of the tail because you're going to get more pop, trust me. And for your index finger, you want to place it just below the balls, hanging off the edge a little bit. And this is the placement for a frontside shove it, what it looks like. Now you get the finger position down, the next step is to learn how to scoop. So when it comes to a frontside shove it, you want your middle finger to scoop and push the tail down really hard. That allows you to spin the board to give it a 180-degree rotation. It's kind of similar motion to a regular pop shove it, but this time in a frontside shove it, you have to scoop it in a forward motion. Basically, it's like doing a pop shove it in the opposite way. So you want to pop down, give it a little more weight or put more pressure to your middle finger on the tail, then pop and scoop at the same time. It's all about timing to getting a good pop and scooping or scrapping on the tail. Once you can get a good solid rotation on the board, the next step is you want to catch it with your index finger, land it and roll away. And the most important thing that I taught you in every trick is just keep practicing over and over again until you ended up getting better at it. And there you have it. Now you know how to do a frontside shove it. I hope this trick tip will help you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember, you taught that too. Itachi Han. You're welcome.